Today we're in Milton, where behind the humble exterior of 851 Scott Boulevard is a weapon of a townhome, fully renovated, not just lipstick and mascara, but the full renovation. Hardwood floors that scream luxury, a kitchen with an island so big you could probably land a helicopter on it, and a feature wall in the family room that is just itching for a 90-inch flat-screen television. And the basement, it's finished and ready for your teenage hideaway. The primary ensuite, you will never want to leave, ever. This is the one. This kitchen has more cabinets and drawers than a Michelin star chef could fill. It's got an island that's so big, it has its own postal code. And soft close drawers, of course, because slamming drawers is for amateurs. Stainless steel appliances, yes. And a wicked family room that doesn't just invite you in, it hugs you. This main floor is the space that you have been dreaming for. Upstairs, things get properly serious. 4 bedrooms, all dripping in natural light, hardwood floors so clean you'll hesitate to walk on them. And yes, the stairs have been upgraded because details matter. And the bathrooms are renovated so nicely they make hotel suites look budget. This place is sleek, it's stylish, and shockingly posh for a townhouse like this. And down here, it's not just finished, it's polished with a nice bedroom, a rec room, and a space that says, yeah, your in-laws can stay, just not for that long. This isn't just a townhome, it's a fully upgraded performance machine disguised as a family house. Hardwood floors throughout, a kitchen that could host a cooking show, spa-worthy bathrooms, and even stairs that are custom. Finished basement, 4+1 bedrooms, and every inch has been dialed to 11. This is Milton, done properly.